Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing JavaScript problem 506, relative ranks in JavaScript. So this is considered an easy problem. It says you are given an integer array score of size n, where score at I is the score of the ith athlete in a competition. All the scores are guaranteed to be unique. The athletes are placed based on their scores, where the first place athlete has the highest score, the second place athlete has the second highest score, and so on. The placement of each athlete determines their rank. So first place is going to be a gold medal, second place silver medal, third place is bronze medal. For the fourth place to the nth place, their rank is placement number, i.e. the xth place athlete's rank is x. Return an array answer of size n, where answer I is the rank of the ith athlete. Okie dokie. So what we're being asked to do here is, let's say that this is our score array, right? So we have, this is our input or output, is going to basically say, okay, 5 is the highest number, so that's gold medal, 4 is the second highest silver, third is the third place, so bronze medal, and then 2 is going to be 4, and 1 is going to be 5, right? So that doesn't really, I mean, that explains it, but it's much clearer here, where we have 10, 3, 8, 9, 4, right? 10 is the highest number, so gold medal. 3 is the fifth highest number, so we return 5. 8 is the third highest number, so we return bronze medal. And 9 is the second highest number, so silver medal. 4 is the fourth highest number, so we return 4. Okay? All right, so let's get into the code on this. I'm actually going to grab this one because this one really isn't as helpful, and we'll see why in a second. Basically, it's already sorted, so that's really easy. I mean, if all the arrays were sorted in descending order, that would make this code a piece of cake. It's not hard anyway, so let's get our variable here. Let's create a function called func. And so what we're going to do is eventually we're going to push, for this example, we're going to push gold medal here, 5, bronze medal, silver medal, 4, all into a result array. So let's create that right off the bat. It's going to equal result. And at the end of the day, that's what we're going to be returning. So we can log the function to the console so we can see our progress. So we should see an empty array. And we do. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to sort this array, but we're not, if you use the sort method, what's going to happen is it's going to mutate the original array. So if we were just to do this, whoops, if we were to do score dot sort, we want to go in descending order, A, B, so that means here, error function here, we got to say B minus A. Actually, you know what? Let's assign this to a variable. We'll call it sorted score. Right. All right. So the issue with this is it's going to mutate the original array, and I'll show you what I mean. So let's not return result. Let's return score, or let's return sorted score first. Right. So now our array is sorted in descending order, but if we include score in this array, you're going to see it's going to be the exact same thing. Okay, that's not what we wanted, because what we're going to do with sorted score is we're going to loop through it we're going to then create a key value pair, put it in that object I just created, and the key is going to be, for the first number is going to be 10, the value is going to be gold medal, and then the key for this will be 9 and silver medal, 8 and bronze medal, 4 and 4, 3 and 5, right? And then what we can do is we can loop through the original score array and just push the value of this key into result and return result, right? But because this is now mutated, that is going to mess up the order of the results array. So I just learned about this method probably a couple days ago. JavaScript has a method called to, whoops, what am I doing? To, geez, sorry about that. To sorted. Now, right. So now the sorted score is sorted and the score is now the same. So we can use that. Okay, what else do we need at this point? Nothing. So let's go. We're gonna loop through sorted score and we're gonna use the map method. I just like to use map and filter and all those things when I can. Call our variable num. And we're also going to need the index. Create our arrow function. And here we'll just have an if, else statement that says, you know, if index equals 0, we're going to create a key value pair in the object with the num and gold medal, right? If the index is 1, we do that with silver medal. If the index is 2, we do bronze medal. And if not, we give the value of what place it is. So I forgot that. So we're going to need a variable assigned with let, because we're going to mutate this. Let's call it place, and we're going to set it to 4 because that's the first number we're going to use, right? Because 1, 2, and 3 are medals. So here we can just say if I equals 0, object at num equals gold medal. Do that again. Now we're going to change this to 1 and change this to silver medal. And again. Oh, and I forgot this. This is important. You need to put else if here. So this is going to be 2. And then here we have bronze. And then finally, we just need an else. And we can set this to place. Right? It's going to be 4. And then after we do that, we do need to increment place by 1. So that when it gets to the next number, it's not going to be 4 anymore, it's going to be 5. Alright, so let's return the object now, and we should be seeing all our key value pairs. Oh, I forgot one thing. They want it to be a string, not a number. So we need to put the string keyword in front of it. There you go. Cool. Then what we can do is we can loop through score and use the map method again. Say num, and then result dot push object. Oh, so what I'm doing here is we're looking at each of these numbers, right? So I'm saying result.push object at key num, and now if we return result, we got what we wanted: gold medal 5, bronze medal, silver medal 4. Yep, that's what we want. Cool. So let's grab all this logic here and let's put it in Leetcode. Make sure it works. Run the tests. Great. Let's submit. Great. And it's fast too. I always like to see that. Cool. All right. Hopefully you found this video helpful and enjoyable. If you did, please like it. It helps my channel grow. If you want to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you again real soon.